Hi guys, I just came to Lakeport State Park, Michigan. Gonna spend here a couple days. So it's gonna be short video, but it should be fun. All done, unpacked, ready to start my camping. But my goal this camping is get some sunbathe, some sun tan, because I'm white in the middle of July. I'm still white like a white people. If weather permits. If not, I will do some fishing. I'll check the local forest for mushrooms, and pretty much that's it. I will make some couple tours around campground, will show you around, drone view, lake view, Port Huron view. So let's start it. Feels like tornadoes coming. Look on the sky. Rain, rain, rain. Heavy rain. And a thunder. Sky much brighter. Rain should be a bit soon, but here's the flooding on my campsite. More likely I will not go to beach today. Not going to get any sunshine, tan, because of, you can see over, it's a cloudy day, rain just stopped and 68 degrees, so it's kind of chilly, but at least I'm going to get some mushrooms. I'm gonna get some mushrooms today. Take a look. Take a look. They are all good mushrooms. This is good. Mushrooms. It's kind of old, but I have choice. I have more mushrooms. It will go through cleaning process because of all sandy, but it's very good mushroom for frying. It looks like will be very promising mushroom season this year. I found enough mushrooms to make me a dinner tonight. And can you imagine if I found so many mushrooms in these woods by the Huron lake? I can imagine if I go to my best spot where mushrooms are. I come into this park every year, at least once a year, to get some fun with a local lake. But sometimes I look for mushrooms too. And for last 15 years I coming here, I found 2 times. This is 3rd time I found the mushroom. So this year again it will be very promising mushroom year. Guys, if you ever wondering what looks like hallucination mushroom, here's the one. But also it's poisoning. Here's a special recipe to make hallucination mushroom from this poison one. Oh, rain, rain, rain. So looks like I'm not going to swim today, but at least I have bag of mushrooms. Surprise, surprise. This morning I picked up some mushrooms. It's 2 different kinds, but this one great for frying. This is not so great for frying, but I will fry it anyway, because when I'm gonna clean it and boil it, then fry it, so they going to be shrink a lot. So probably maybe like a less than a handful will be good to eat. I clean them, chop it, so you can see it's not a lot. Next step is boiling. 10 minutes of boiling water. Just finished to boil it. We'll dump that water, put in a plastic bag and waiting for dinner, and we'll fry it. So what left after boiling, it will be 2 or 3 times less when you fry it. Now it's time for mushrooms. See how much is left? Not even full scale. And I didn't finish yet. Wild mushroom, which I collect this morning. Pork, lion, sirloin, chops, salad, What's a nice dinner, and of course wine. Cheers, my friend. Mushrooms ready. I add some onion here too. So I'm gonna eat later. Because I need the skillet to fry my potatoes. And when my potatoes almost ready, I will do my pork. Potatoes almost ready. Some spices. Pepper. Salt. Same number on the other side. Salt. Pepper. Garlic. And it's ready to go. Flipping over. Flipping over again in different directions. Couple more minutes. Flipping over again, and last time. And there's my mushrooms. See, nothing left from that big pile of mushrooms. Clean it, chop it, shrunk when you cook, but still it will be taste of mushrooms. 2 more minutes. So I guess my dinner is ready. Wild mushroom, fried potatoes, and pork chop dinner. Smells good. Looks good too. So I would say it was another successful camping. minus I couldn't go on the beach because rain and kind of chilly. I didn't fish. Here is no fish. I have to have a boat. I don't have a boat. I have kayak. It's a big lake. So at least I got wild mushrooms, and I didn't have my wild mushrooms for a year. From last year I missed it. So I would say cheers, my friend. Mushrooms. Ah, again, it's a heaven. Very good healthy dinner, I guess.